yan na po ni DJ Clunky ni Marvin sa inyong request sa Rest Your Love.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you.
Okay, alright.
And I want to leave you, walk away. I've been watching you all evening with those teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and if the sun was in, I'd be right by your side.
Right out, ILOCANO.
Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me a while.
Saw you in the corner on the moment I walked in. Alright. Saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and at times like this I'll be right by your side. Oh, yeah. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last train to be here and the last chance to go? Guess to think that I was born so soon. Na nga to. How long, honey, will the loving not come? I was there when you left me. Just to think that I was born so soon. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me while.
Alright.
Alright.
Grabe, ang galing. Good combination.